May I have a question?
Yeah.
I'm gonna need a truthful answer.
Okay.
In a fight,
Mm-hmm.
two men, no rules.
No rules.
One
So this
ring,
is,
no referee, no nothing, no rules.
This is a fight like to the death
Yeah.
type thing. Mm-hmm.
Who are you choosing? Mike Tyson or The Rock?
Mike Tyson or The Rock?
Welcome to the Dale Elliott podcast. I am your host, Dale Elliott, and I'm here with my co-host, Crooks.
Cause it's all in my head. I think about it over and over again.
Long time. Where that come from?
You know, something that I listened to the other day, I was like, yo, Nelly was cooking back in the day.
Nelly heart was broken back in the day.
Fully.
Whatever it was. Hey, people, don't forget to like, share, comment, subscripts.
Subscripts it, you know what I mean?
You know, it's been a very long weekend. We're back here.
Yes, cause people are cut say, yo, we need a new episode. Like them can't get through the week.
Yo, what the episode them there? Yo, people angry. Yo,
People are cussing about the Friday too, you know. Them.
people say they not get the live, and me I say, boy, I'm gonna drop the episode. I'm gonna drop an episode at least I'm gonna drop an episode. But people, please like, share, comment, subscribe. Me I think people understand the importance of the subscribing.
Yeah, the subscribes is necessary, very necessary.
People, the subscribing is not for the subscriber count, you know. It's so you can see the episode.
Yes. So on the can't say, but they're like, we see the episodes. We want more of that. That they are gonna say. You know?
Oh yeah, and then now I got satisfied.
Yeah, this.
Yeah, couple things take place there, brother. Me feel like me I turn the parent now
Good on.
with my family, with my father,
I see you take pop shopping.
brother. That was the most hilarious thing, brother.
Like pull up your pants, Bridge.
Brother, in my 30 years on this earth, I never expect to look by my father and tell him, say, yo, pull up your pants. That's not something
That's something you think your parents said to you.
where me will never ever get for return the favor.
Wow. I mean, I always say that I think at some point, you know, when you get older, at some point you realize how much your parents are people. Because like when you're young, your parents invincible. You know?
They're
like, them
not
can't-
people to you.
Yeah, they're some kind of God figure. You don't even know how them reach by earth.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying? But you get older and you're like, wow, you're a dude, huh?
That's all. You're just a regular addict.
You're that's
Just a regular
Just-
weeded. I'm not.
sorry, Dad.
Yo,
So you have some reservations.
brother, the man put on the clothes, man, say, this not gonna work.
And everything looked fine from what I saw.
Brother, the man show up in a cut-off foot jeans pant. Man say, I'm with them all there. No, man. Okay, the man go Brooklyn City Center. If you come from Florida, you know Brooklyn City Center. Man say, what? What this? No, man, it look like they charge for all the breeze in your so. Brother,
Jaja, how was like the birthday
he
celebrations?
go on good. He go
Yeah.
on good. He come when it gone. That's all me can say. Come when it gone.
You feel old now? You feel officially old now?
Nope.
See? I tell you, say once you reach a certain age, you feel that age, you know. Or whatever age you feel like, I feel like you just feel like that until
I've always been 35.
Okay. I've just felt 35 forever.
I don't know if I feel 35, but
In your head, you're 35.
in my head, I say I am 35.
You're going to feel 35 until you're 55. And then you're still going to feel 35, but...
You know, I can move 35.
Yeah, you know, you're going to be like, could I do 50 of them push up here, you know?
And then you say, whoa,
You reach 40 and you're like,
I don't think I'm going to make it there.
why? You know, the 50 a little more strenuous than it used to be.
Yo,
You know?
may I have a question?
Yeah.
I'm going to need a truthful answer.
Okay.
In a fight, two men, no rules.
No rules.
One
So this
ring,
is-
no referee, no nothing, no rules.
This is a fight like to the death
Yeah.
type thing.
Who are you choosing? Mike Tyson or The Rock?
Mike Tyson or The Rock?
Yeah.
Mike Tyson.
Okay, good. Mike Tyson.
Okay. I think
I had a thought. I saw something and like, and it had me thinking like, no rules though. The Rock look a bit taller, but Mike Tyson probably would have.
So here's the okay. The only thing I would say that would probably justify The Rock being the right answer is that I don't know The Rock's fighting capabilities.
I know Mike Tyson.
We know Mike. We know say Mike is a madman.
We know Mike would have beat him.
No, I don't know how The Rock fights outside of wrestling.
That's the thing, brother. I really believe that once no rules involved, we probably know a man who can beat up Mike Tyson. If there's no rules,
but no rules fist fighting.
Yeah, if there's no rules fist fighting, Jabba got Mike Tyson. No, Jabba got Mike Tyson easily. If there's no.
But here's the thing. Okay, do you think boxing is a more effective fighting style than wrestling? Because that is where I think it
exactly
really lies in.
If Rock grab him, you know.
If him get him in a chokehold, you know, Mike doesn't have anything to defend that chokehold. Mike don't have no kicks.
But no, Mike can bite him.
Mike can bite him, but that's that's all we know Mike to do. But if The Rock, I don't know if Mike can defend a suplex. You know what I mean?
You're right. And I don't, yeah.
A suplex on concrete, bro?
Yeah.
A pile driver?
Yeah, but I don't know if The Rock can get an actual punch.
Yeah, that's
because The Rock stomp, you know, when them thump, it's like...
Yeah, it's like that fake punch where you have to...
Might not stamp him leg.
True. But that's why I'm saying I don't really know how The Rock... Because here's the thing with wrestling, you know.
The Rock can take a slap out of a board, you know.
Absolutely. Out of a chair.
And a ladder. We're not so sure about Mike.
Exactly. So, it's like... In my heart of hearts, I feel I would go with Mike only because Mike, out of the two of them, Mike genuinely scares me. More than The Rock does. But I think if you factor in the fighting styles, it get kind of iffy to me. Whereas like, I don't know if The Rock can figure out how to get out of a figure four leg lock. And you know what I mean? Like, wrestling, to be fake, still has to be very careful.
Yeah, yeah.
Because you can really break limbs and like you can die. Like man dead at wrestle.
But you know what's crazy? To me, Israel Adesanya, kickboxing.
Yeah.
If me have to choose between, if there is a fight between a kickboxer, like a boxer cannot, in a wildest dream,
Be that kickboxer.
Go in a one kickboxing ring and beat him. In a wildest dream.
Because
the moment the game start, a man run up near your face, boom, you're done.
Yeah, a knee to the face is crazy.
A knee to your face.
An elbow is insane. Like an elbow crazy, you know.
Brother, imagine this man standing up like this, punching towards you, and then you see him foot come from
like
him.
heel back in your temple.
Him heel back.
Like, bro.
You're done. You're done.
Bro, I've seen some knockout, like MMA knockouts where I'm like, ugh, him have to go hospital right now.
Brother, I see one where it's like, so the man them have the talk first.
Mm-hmm.
Man say, oh yeah, when I get into the ring, I'm gonna destroy you. I'm see the man stays. The man just stays at that. Man just did a smile at the man and say, all right, just wait until it starts. Brother, you see when the thing goes up, bing bing, the man run towards the man and just yo, brother, I need the man in him neck, brother. I saw the man.
Oh no.
Yo, the man stretch out. Yo, the man stretch out.
So I think so. All right, because if you notice, every time like a boxer fights a MMA guy, we always have to like mold the rules to
change it up.
You're boxing. You're only gonna be boxing. You can't do no foot nothing because the boxer can't kick. The boxer don't know how to kick.
Boxer not trained for that.
You've never been trained how to kick. I've been trained for kicks for years.
I've been training to take these kicks too.
All right. So even if you did know how to kick,
that same punching bag that you have, I'm kicking it.
All right. So it's like, how am I? And we know how deadly a kick can be.
And guess what? You cannot generate more force with your hands than your legs. I don't care who you is. I still don't believe that a Mike Tyson knockout punch weighs more and have more kick than
like a Pacquiao kick.
Not Pacquiao. Than a John Jones. I don't believe it. I don't believe it. A John Jones kicking you. Or Pereira, the Brazilian brother, Pereira, or Israel Adesanya kicking you.
Yeah, I don't think.
You're not generating more force from a kick.
Fair.
Look for when Mayweather fight, the next one where they bad to.
Who?
What the Irish one name?
O'Connor? Yeah.
Them man, one time it was the baddest thing in the MMA. No?
Yeah, but the only way they had to make that work is that he had to go in the boxing format. Because if I don't think
a man kick him and broke him leg.
Who?
O'Connor? Yeah.
Oh, no,
O'Connor name?
I feel like it's O'Connor.
Me not feel like
McGregor. Irish. I just called a random Irish name. Sorry, Irish people.
Yeah.
McGregor.
Conor McGregor.
Conor.
You were close.
McGregor.
Conor McGregor.
I was like, brother, I know some kind of Conor is there.
It's a boxing match. The man in there, the man kick him, and broke him foot,
Oh, damn. Ooh, I feel like I need to see that.
You feel like I need to see that?
Yeah. Conor
McGregor, broken leg.
Breaks leg and lost to Dustin. Ooh. Oh, this was a couple of years ago, too.
I think maybe it's like 4 or 5 years now.
Yeah.
Him can't fight back from that in the fight back.
Is that why he's been like so quiet?
Brother, they say man broke him foot, brother. Man say get that foot out of here.
Dang. Yeah. So, based on these, no, he didn't even get hit. No,
I went to try block it and him foot broke.
No, I punch him punch and like him overextend, and when him overextend, this just went back.
Damn. So him broke him own foot.
Him broke him own a foot, throwing a punch that was too crazy. Apparently.
See, can't do this there, man.
So I mean, I guess based on that, there is a possibility that The Rock would win. Based upon that. Based on the fact that he's wrestling, there's no rules, so him can do what him know. Mike can do what him know. I think if The Rock gets a punch, okay. If The Rock gets a punch, The Rock may be able to take a couple punches. Maybe. He's bigger, he's taller.
But that mean him easier for knockout.
It mean him easier to knock out, but also...
Remember, Mike Tyson, they're right under him temple,
True. And can just, because a Mike uppercut is crazy.
Right under him temple is in like, send him go God.
But can Mike Tyson take a suplex?
I believe I could take a suplex before I take a punch.
A suplex, bro? On concrete?
I believe I could take a suplex before I take a punch.
I don't know.
I've never seen a suplex knock out a man. You're just going to be in excruciating pain.
Yeah, but I don't know, dog. I think a suplex, like
my biggest
street fight.
Have you ever been knocked out, Crooks?
No.
You don't want to get knocked out.
Yeah, but that
top me, slap me across my back with a belt, does not knock me out. Because when you get knocked out, that's the most humiliating thing.
Yeah, but a suplex can kill you, dog. Yeah, a suplex can kill you in a safe environment.
Yeah, but Crooks, when you get knocked out, you don't even know.
Yeah, but
see you.
Yeah, but you're not gonna know if you're dead neither.
Yeah, but that's all right. That's like knockout, but wake up back. Everybody, I tell you about it. I see because you never get knocked out. Brother, forget knockout. A man tell you what you did not do, you know. And you know have no recollection of that, you know, dog.
I guess it's gotta suck to be like, oh dog, you did flail out.
Brother, me say a man get knocked out, you know, and I say, yeah man, I'm a good man. And I talk to me like everything good. And about 2 minutes after I walk off, a new man this. Yo, what me I do here, so? Yo, deal.
Like him just.
Walk on. Whole time, me I say, yo, why your name? I say, yeah man. Like the dog I tell me him name, me age, everybody, how much finger me I hold up? I say, yeah man, 4. All right, count from back, man. Count from 10 to 1, backwards, he might do it easily. 2 minutes gone, the man don't know, yo, where me are there, so?
Like, wait, how we reach us, sir?
Where all of them people there? And what did that happen?
What the excitement about?
They'll come here talk to me. You're out.
Bro, never even know say him knock out while him a move round.
Brother, most man get knocked out, don't know when them knock out.
I don't know, man. I think
a suplex, at least we can be like,
yeah, but this is what I say. But the suplexes that we're seeing is safe suplexes.
The suplexes are like when you lift up somebody.
Suplexes when you lift them up and drop them.
Yeah, me can't do that. Me take that.
Yeah, but this is what I'm saying. We've seen safe suplexes. All the suplexes, but we say safe. You can't kill nobody in the wrestling ring. I think you're talking about lifting somebody and slamming them on concrete, bro. On your head?
By your head.
Yeah, that's how suplexes work. You're supposed to. We do it in wrestling for like the show of it.
Bro, that's a death.
Yeah, you're dying.
I'm killing you.
So that's why it's like, okay, now that I think about it.
It would be very hard to get someone in a position like that, though.
Yeah, but as somebody like The Rock that has been training in this you're a wrestler. You've been a wrestler for 30 years.
He might be stronger than Mike Tyson.
He might be. He's bigger than Mike Tyson. He's had to like lift people. Mike never have to lift up nobody. Mike just have to generate force in him punch.
Bro, Mike Tyson used to fight men as tall as The Rock.
This is true. But those people were also boxers. Were in the rule of boxing.
If you ever do a no rules fight still, man, I lie.
Damn, I think I changed my mind now. I think The Rock might win. I think bro might have been right in that thing.
Yeah, but The Rock. So yeah, I said,
I think the legend of Mike Tyson is so scary, and The Rock has always presented himself like this nice guy, especially in the past, since the movies and whatever.
Yeah, but if there's no rules, I mean, can just run towards you and just run for your legs.
Yeah, but Mike don't train for that. The Rock is more trained to do that than Mike is. We are talking about the training and the fighting style.
So when we're out here really believing that The Rock.
I originally agreed with Mike Tyson, but I feel like now that I think about it, it's like, but one's a wrestler. Can a boxer
can fight in multiple ways? A wrestler, I think everybody knows how to punch.
Everybody knows how to punch, but can Mike Tyson get out of a submission hold?
Can The Rock survive an uppercut though? Can The Rock take body punches?
I feel like The Rock can take body punches more than Mike Tyson could get out of a sleeper. Like it might, like bro, you have a legal move where you can make people drop asleep. So if Mike punches, The Rock dips under the punch, grabs him from behind and suplexes him.
It's over.
Mike done. Mike is over, bro. Like that's over.
Still got Mike though. But if I was to really choose somebody, I'd say Jabba. No, for me, Jabba. If you're just watching, is Jabba.
I think
for me, I really believe that you have money in the street right now. But if we can beat Mike Tyson in a street fight. Street fight. Me believe that Jamaican men can beat American men in a street fight. Street fight, do you know?
Street fight, like.
Yeah, because here what I'm saying is
Yeah.
Yankee like square up. Yeah, man. Yankee
Yankees-
I go square up. Like the black American we are fighting, I mean that's the American.
Yeah.
Them kind of like, you know, and them pull up them pants and them.
Yo,
I've never seen two Jamaican men do this.
Like,
I've never.
Have you ever noticed like I call it the hood stance, wife of the hood stance. But I call it the hood stance. You ever notice the it's like
You see the man them stay, sir?
you have the this, right? But it's also like the footwork
The
is like
foot
backwards.
the foot have the movement too. Trust me, the foot.
Okay, you have to like lean forward and it's like instead of
I think it's something like if we can.
no man, you're doing no man. So here's the problem now. You gotta put the right arm because you're still kind of doing like a boxing stance. You have to put the right hand in front for some reason. Oh no, sorry. Do the stance again.
All right, so it's supposed
Do the stance again.
something like
All right. Okay, here's where I think it's you gotta put your right leg in front instead. But here's the thing. Keep the right hand back.
Oh!
There we go.
Yeah, this is exactly how. One the camera.
Hold on.
Yo, middle. Yo, this is
You're middle camera, right?
talk. No.
Yo,
talk.
yo.
See ya. Yeah.
Yeah, that's it.
Yo, you said the man do that? Yeah, man, there's no.
Yo, somebody I get knocked out, you know.
That's the biggest difference between Jamaican fights and thing the fight.
Yeah, somebody I get knocked out.
I think American fight, when two American fight, there is more honor.
So bro, it is so honorable with Americans fight. I respect it to the fullest.
I respect how Americans fight honorable. It's supposed to it focus, yes? Yeah. Americans fight honorable.
I think Jamaicans carry too much like emotions to like even really end a fight. Man, I'm dead.
Yeah, I don't know. I never really see. You ever really see fight just end, so?
No, not unless it's usually like blood.
That's what I'm saying. I think people part. Jamaican fight get part. American fight.
And no
finish.
cool. No really cool after that, you know.
No, we'll never.
You know, cool. Like, I've seen Americans fight and the fight done and them good now. No, it's like, all
It's
right.
the way them finish though. Your win is like, you know, when them it's like finally me get it from the ground and now me up on top of him, it's like punch. That's how when it done. It's like,
yeah, it's like, all right, hey. It's like, all right, cool. It's like, shake hand or whatever.
No, I think when Jamaican man fight, furniture move. Yeah, Jamaican men will move furniture. If you see no fighting that we move.
Yeah, man. Everything is a weapon now.
Bro, no matter where I've been in witnessing a Jamaica fight, no matter where me there, me hear furniture move. There's a something is moving.
I think there's a interesting capability of Jamaicans to like find something throwable.
Quick.
Very quick. Like, I don't know where we materialize big stones sometime. Like, I don't know where we get certain, like, all of a sudden it's like, oh,
I can throw this.
like, oh, yeah, man. It's like,
We are throw everything.
They're good for a throw.
We think we move furniture. That's why I feel like
Yeah.
we could have beat up a Yankee if them a fight like we. But a Yankee probably would have put we to sleep.
Oh, yeah, for sure. For sure.
Cause the Yankee them really the punching.
And they also like practice. Like they'll just like fight amongst themselves as bridging. Like just
slap box and them.
Slap box and actually fight. Like even with the gang, they might say, oh, you join the gang, you know. Man, have a fight.
It's a fight.
No, all right. For example, my you there, when him 4 extra. I don't think 4 extra could have do all of that at Jamaica. Man, I shot him.
Him dead long time.
Like when you talk about you gonna fight 50 man.
A man bust him head. A man bust 4 extra head with a big stone 4 extra time.
No, you talk about you come in, you want to fight everybody. Brother, you get shell. You talk about. We're not doing a fair fight with you. I don't think Jamaicans believe in fair fight. I don't think there's a fair fight as far as Jamaicans concerned.
Fear. Depends.
Fair is whoever win.
Me fight fear all the time.
When? The times where you bust man head with T-square and them.
No, a man bust my head already now. Why that sound so dark? No. No. That's... No. Jesus Christ. This not going to end well. Oh, God, I'm going to see that. I'm going to see.
You know, it's so crazy because I feel like we've been trying to be good and we like sometimes that will happen and we make it slide and then somebody in the comments are talking about, man, do what your head already, brother? It's like,
what you mean by a man bust your head? Yeah, because I tell said that one there. Yeah.
Yeah, that's they're gonna cook that one.
Yeah, that gonna get cooked. But yeah, man, me and a youth a fight already, and me actually beat him up, and him leave and come back with a big stone.
Okay.
Him leave and come back with a broom first.
Yeah.
Take the broom from him.
Yeah.
Then him come back with a shovel. Take the shovel from him. And then him come back with him cousin, and him cousin distract me, and then him bust me head.
Wow. Man say, yo, no, man, I get something, you know.
But I was stupid too because me stand up there and every time him come back with something, but just take it from him.
And no, like, brother, eventually.
Yeah, because I was confident in my ability to punch. Like, me could have fight. So me always feel like, all right then. I mean, if believe like if you beat me up fighting me all right, you go out with it. When you start okay, say a man start bring weapon night, it's not fair at all. So I'm never fighting fear. KC teach me, we now fight fear, no time.
So that's what I think the difference is between like the Jamaican and the American fighting style, because America have like an honor system in them fighting. Jamaica just a try, like you're not gonna beat me and just embarrass me some.
No, me I go first of all. That's why I kind of fear everybody at Jamaica in terms of like with Yankee. I feel like here's the difference. The biggest difference between a Jamaican fighting and a Yankee fighting. A Yankee I go choosing battles wisely. Yankee will come up with something like, oh, yo, you 5'10", 180 pounds. I can, you know, look, he's much bigger than you. I think a Jamaican, because the playing field super level at Jamaica. Yeah. Because short, tall, no matter what, you get this broadboard across your head side. You gonna get this buckle.
Yeah.
This glass buckle, me I go seal it off for your head.
Yeah.
So regardless of how, a man at Jamaica now gonna look for a man and because him shorter, it's like, yeah.
Jamaica didn't even really try beat you up for real, you know?
No.
Like, I don't think in a fight, beat up ever really, like, factor into anybody's mind.
Yeah,
so
I think Jamaican are who bleed.
Yeah. It's like, yo, me go stab you, bro. like I'm going to win. This is going to be the last time we're doing this. Every Jamaican fight, I feel like, yeah, this ending today. Somehow. It's either me or you. but this going done now.
True. But now, like, I fight already one time and me think about this youth, I did a fight. Thinking years ago was, there's a school across road, St. Joseph. And me fight the man for probably about 6 weeks.
Wow.
Yeah, the fight was anytime me see him. Like all at 10th grade. So this, when do take place around October, I'm gonna fight him all the way through like all me remember. All me. No.
Just anytime we see each other, just know it's...
Bro, because it was the hoe.
Okay.
Because me and him getting a fight, but me did beat him up. But nobody don't remember. The man boxed me. The man boxed me like about 3 times before me could have actually do nothing about it. Because me sit down in a bus. So me sit down in the coaster bus. So me can't get up to defend myself. So me get 3 solid hot box, like real like gangster. Bop, you know, like them box there?
Oh, like...
Yeah, my brain is like the the first box me get is like my brain I say, it better that man did punch me. Because no, all me I think about me I say, wait. Me can't in that bus and everybody say a man just box me loud 3 times. Like loud. Every time me see him. Because see thing is, I didn't even get up and fight him. And me I fix him in the bus, you know. Like the man literally between the chair them, me I step up on him, me I do everything.
Yeah.
Brother, me did have a shoes brush. Me use my shoes brush and me I slap. But me left everybody I say, it's like, yeah, me defend myself. But it's like,
them just know about the back.
Me just hear people I say, but yeah man, Joseph, you box up deal. Me I say. So then I hear where I'm after the box. Yo, me I ask everybody, me I say, yo, me I call my friend them like, me I say if it really happen, like, me I say, yo, who do you remember when me say it's because of that?
Anytime.
Every time I see him.
A problem.
Last time man I just talk to me. I want party me on the Monday. One party me on the Monday and the man just come to me and say, yo, General. Yo, make we just call that.
Like, yo, bro, me done. Like, me done.
Yo,
No.
Make we just done that. Make we just done that. Man, give up. Me never see that yet, man. Say, yo, make we just done that.
Like, bro, this is...
Me
know I live like this anymore, dog.
Brother, me fight the man me will have good day. Remember one time, brother, me supposed to spend time. Me ex at the time, me and I supposed to go to Devon House and have a good day, brother. And we are go up at Devon House.
I'll see him.
I'm see him on coaster go. I'm say, hey, I got a blast.
I'll be right back.
I'll be right back. Brother,
real quick.
Enemy forever to blood clot in your white. Big on self white. Hope you enjoy yourself.
Good, you know.
Everything good white. Yo.
Just because nobody never talk about the second part of the...
Just because me and the man fight for all afford farm. Just because of that. I couldn't... That.
Wow. See, you see, that is the difference. It would have just been like, yeah, but that go on and it done, you know. No. You know? We gotta continue it.
Have you ever had like a Jamaican man throw a big stone off of you? I hear the velocity of
not hit me though, but yeah.
Exactly.
Yeah.
Like a brother threw a big stone off of me already. And the way how it zing past my face, me surrender. Brother, the man missed my face from close range.
Wow.
From like close. I say, yo, he probably never want to lick me.
God.
Cause brother, if that they touch me, I think that they say right now. I swear to God.
Jaja. No, man.
Brother, when man a fling stone, I jump stone, I fling.
Some serious stone, man. Yeah, man. Crazy.
I say, yo, the money, I fling them stone like this. So by the time I see money, I throw some stone at Jamaica, brother, when me I wonder how them throw it.
So, all right. Which one do you think is worse? Like the not really, like almost pebblish size, or the big stone them?
The pebble one them.
Cause I agree. Somebody that argued me one time said, no man, a big stone is like, nah, bro.
I prefer get lick out a big stone that you see if the man can you see if him can hold it like this.
Problem.
Oh,
anytime at this.
If him can hold it, if him can set him out like this through the stone, yeah, it's over.
Yeah, man. That is death.
Better the stone in a whole eye, man.
Yeah. Yeah.
Cause you know, say, all right, it's a heavy stone, this.
Yeah, now go. You can't really.
The force, you can generate a whole heap of force with a little pebble, brother.
No, man, it's serious.
Remember one time I stone Jabba out of a tree with mango. Yeah. Nighttime, Jabba thief, mango in the night says, I know who. Because can't make him say, I mean, yeah, man. I ended up one number 11 tree. You know, mango, number 11 mango.
The kind of like...
You know, like small, eerie.
Yeah.
Number 11 though,
yeah.
but them green.
Yeah.
and Jabba in a tree. Cause my tree did have like a fusion where it's like half East Indian, half regular mango. You know, you know you have trees that do that.
Yeah. Can kind of graft them sometime too.
Jabba over the East Indian side, man. I mean, I hear him in there. I say, all right then. Just make sure me have pure green mango. Stony in there is nice to see, man.
Pelt you.
Brother, I know I never miss Walip too.
Judge.
I never miss Walip. Me and the man say, oh yeah. He say, yeah, man.
Did Jabba eventually know that it was you?
No, sir. But so much people stone Jabba. I think Jabba business, dog. Think Jabba business, brother. One time we catch Jabba in a smelly mango tree, dog, and Jabba say, call the police. Jabba in a mango tree now. Jabba in a mango tree, the lady come out. Lady, I said, thief, I go and call the police. I'm tired of this. Every night, Jabba said, thief, where am there? Call the police. Man in a tree, same way, still so.
Jabba didn't even realize him are the thief.
No, realize Jabba don't care.
No business.
You mean Jabba don't care, brother? Jabba,
So which part? Thief there?
Jabba said, lady, go on in here, man.
The mango you want over?
Man said, no, yours. It's like earth. The earth. Come and take a come and try go on your own mango. No, the earth.
Jaja. Do you hear about the guy that that dead in the bun eating contest over there?
That's a terrible way to die, bro.
Bro, diabolical.
What me I gonna say to you people? If I have Nile, me can't explain that to none of them, you know. How did you? Me can't. What me I gonna say?
Well, Peter, it was a bun eating contest, and you know, it's supposed to just eat the bun as fast as you. What was it? Are you supposed to eat it as fast as you can, or
first man done eat the bun eat? Me enter one already. Me lose though.
You can't drink water or nothing like that though. Before.
No. Me enter one already and lose to a brother named Rennis. Bridging. Vacuum.
Listen, just inhale. I
swear to you. You know the song where you ever hear the Christmas jingle them where I say, oh, we are eat jerk shark, rabbit.
Oh no.
So Bridging Rennis, we must say for this Christmas, that Christmas yeah, we are eat some satay ants and them thing there. It's like a meme.
Yeah.
Yeah, me and the dog join a bun eating contest with the dog ready to bomb. Jesus Christ. When we reach the third bun to bomb bat, I throw for me see man I collect. See man,
hey, yeah.
man don't that celebrate, I'm still a mover. I said, all right, me can grab.
Jaja.
But at Jamaica it happen?
I believe so. Let me confirm. I believe it's Jamaica.
That's crazy to die that way though.
A bun eating contest, bro. Nobody never know CPR and them something.
A man couldn't like kick him in chest.
I say, like there was no I feel like we're supposed to know CPR and can't them things that are supposed to go on.
But you know what crazy though? Think about how unsafe it is to have a bun eating contest and no medic, no nothing.
There's nothing like how you brother.
What?
How?
Nobody was. We're having a contest here of how fast you can heat food. Bun that's dry. There's no medical, nothing, nobody, not there nearby or nothing.
37-year-old. This is on Quest Times. 37-year-old Kieran Powell, very Jamaican name, from Trelawney, reportedly choked while eating a piece of bun during a bun eating contest. According to police sources, he developed complications and was rushed to the hospital where he was later pronounced dead.
No, not one man thump him in chest or him back, so then was driving him to the hospital.
No man Heimlich, bro. No man do no Heimlich. You have to go behind him and squeeze him. No man do that.
Oh, damn. You really think that would have caused, but no, you know, this is not funny.
It's not.
Condolences.
Condolences.
It's just a tough way to go out, bro.
But it, you know, my mother used to say.
You die at 37 from a bunny thing?
37.
That's that, hey.
That, you know, my mother used to say you have to laugh, so you know, cry, you know.
Respect out to
Kieran Powell
and the family. and family. Condolences.
Yeah, tell me, say nobody never have no. There's no.
Why are you dying, Ethan? Why are you dying, Ethan?
When we say bun we kill you, I know that we mean.
I never that bun there. That bun there never come to my mind when I hear say bun we kill you.
That's crazy.
When you say that, how you know, yeah, my son, he passed away. Like, wow, I'm so sorry to hear about it.
Imagine everybody.
What happened? What you say? What you say? Well, you know, how do? You know what? This is gonna be very bad.
Yo, you what going with the thing that drop out. You know, Jamaicans that go fully like simplified.
Bro, not even
dog, you know, so the dog drop out. When last you talk to my youth there, you know, you say him drop out. Hey, what go on?
Don't judge me. Don't judge me. How do you think that people are in people them are gonna look upon a bun after that? It's supposed to be a nightmare.
Dog, Easter match up, you know. Brother, Easter match up, you know. Easter cancel, you know, dog.
What if my mother hate bun?
Bro, you're talking about something that is a national tradition, you know, dog.
Yo!
The brother dead from a traditional thing, you know, dog.
Cause if I'm my brother, I don't want to see bun again, brother. Oh God, Mega. Sorry. Dog.
Oh gosh, bro. Like, brother, like, oh.
Dog, imagine the man mother have a long day, brother, and just reach home, brother. And they ask my house and they must say, well, something to eat. We got some bun and shit.
No. Take up. Just an irrational behavior.
You don't know where you do her. You don't know where you do her. You don't know where you do her at all, brother. Oh my God.
Jono, bro.
Oh God.
Just before Good Friday and them something, you know, dog.
But Jesus kill man and I eat that blood. Jesus Christ.
Ash Wednesday now come up right now. No, today when Ash Wednesday?
Yo. Probably just straight bun him did I eat though.
Probably. But even so.
Brother,
bro.
Me see Jabba eat two, bulla.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, me see, but the thick one them.
Yeah.
With like the smooth top.
Mm-hmm.
It's like a bun, but it'll have a bola look to it.
Yeah.
Yeah, Mr. Jabba eat two of them there already, man. With one little $5 sock. Sock, but this.
Yeah.
Two of them. Here's the kicker. He meet two of them one time. He put it together. Man put butter between man butter it, and the man put the two thick, brother. The bun thick, brother. The sandwich thick, but this thick. Sit here, and the man does. And go so with the socks up. Yo, see man.
You know, so that true that looks.
Brother, you see them man there's a gamble. We are gambling.
Oh Lord.
Why music gamble with crackhead is insane.
Them not nothing for lose.
No, I think we could have gambled with Jabba them because Jabba them never have no back of money.
So it's like
so we could have played
like an easy buy-in for.
So we go $5 and $10 game, brother.
Yeah, fair.
So then it could have worked, $5, $10, $20. With $50 up on the table, we start. Hard start.
Get serious.
Tense up. Woo.
Like $100.
Yeah, left this alone.
Yeah, can't play one game if so.
Exactly. Damn.
No man. Easter mashup, bro.
Never look upon bun the same again.
Easter mashup. Come know how you explain that to nobody. So I go on with them. Some of you they drop out.
Can't Can't they are no dancer here all the macabre name. Jesus, you mash up.
What them call it? Bone fee, bone chew, bone. It's crazy. That's crazy, dog. And not having any, like, you had to rush him to the hospital. We didn't have any, no nurse.
Brother, just imagine the man mother just casually watch news, brother. And he cut to all a commercial break, brother. Dog, come on, man. I'm wrong for this. I'm wrong for this.
Oh my God. We apologize to the family of
Nah, stop saying it. But I'm a
of Kieran
comedian.
Powell.
I'm a comedian. I just had to.
But that's it. It's a crazy thing to happen. It's a crazy thing to happen. I think that that would happen, and B, I mean, it's so many levels of irony lined up together, right? Bun kill you. Just right there, right? Just to start there, right? And then now you have to explain what you mean when you say bun killing. Like, oh, I'm going on bun eating contest. And dead? Oh, yeah, just choke.
So, dog, who was monitoring? Somebody need to go jail.
So nobody was there. Nobody
Nobody
no pat him back or nothing.
Nobody down the emergency water by the side.
Nothing. There was no like back juice or nothing at the spot.
Brother, this keep gonna get worse.
There was nothing there, bro.
What happened to the rest of Bun? Them when they left. Nobody now ever look for a Bun the same again. Imagine me and everybody think I see a man dead from the same Bun again.
Did we still figure out a winner? That whole idea, I don't know, you know.
The whole, all the Bun them with a pull it. None of them.
That never get packed up. What you mean it get killed or bad?
I can't believe me there, so I laugh at hey, subscribe.
Subscribe, please. Please.
Oh, God.
No, man.
Oh, Lord. Jesus.
John,
Lord. Jamaica lose.
Yeah.
Jamaica.
Yeah. To Congo.
It was closer than I thought it would be.
Was it?
Mm-hmm.
By the time I tuned in, really done.
Bro, Congo did have a decent team on paper. But the man just play ball just like Jamaica. Brother, I did two.
Really?
Congo go World Cup will get some 6 or some 7. No, me I look into it, dog. Me all right. Cause if a them man that we are gonna send go World Cup,
it might as well be the same as if Jamaica did go.
But here are the problem. In a sports, here's why Jamaica side. Kind of me like passionate about Arsenal. And me can pressure Arsenal. Cause guess what? Me don't know them.
Oh, but yeah.
Me don't know them. So for like criticize Jamaica side, it's like, I no, me know them man here. Some of them man are familiar with me, you know?
Yeah.
So it's kind of more difficult, but damn, man. Me don't know the coach. Me don't know the coach from nowhere. You see, you?
The coach fault.
Brother, Jamaica needs some better football coach, dog. Jamaica football coach really believe, like, you have man at Jamaica right now where literally say them a football coach. I have a job. And, you know, what do you think is the prerequisite for be a football coach at Jamaica?
I would assume that you are maybe an ex-baller. I would assume that you used to play ball, like professionally somewhere. For years, for the national team, I would hope that you were coaching before.
Brother, for be a football coach at Jamaica, no joke thing. Brother, you just need one ball bag and some cone, brother. Big man thing. You have man at Jamaica right now where just have some cone and one ball bag. Well, 4 or 5 ball bag in night.
No, say, yeah, man.
Brother.
Drills.
Brother, 4 or 5 ball bag in night and give him 12 tall cone and some little small one, like the one that will look like disc.
Yeah, the little one with the hole in at the top.
And I coach them.
So I've seen I remember scrolling through social media one day and seeing like the drills that like the college ball players in like England be running. Like, and when I see how them have for them set up and how for them drills go, I was like, I don't feel like I've ever seen.
Brother, me not ever blame Jamaican baller again. I know Jamaican baller, brother. Jamaica now no coach, brother, for years.
But we have big baller.
When baller coach them, or when coach them, why everybody a baller outside of the uniform? Brother, you ever see Bobby Reid? You know watch football?
No, not like that, no.
Bobby Reid start for Fulham.
Okay.
When Bobby Reid playing in Premier League, years.
Yeah.
Yeah. Start for Fulham. Rafiq Bryan. The man them where play ball can play ball. You see when Bobby Reid in a Fulham outfit?
Yeah.
Baller. Leon Bailey.
Yeah.
Ashton Villa. Roma. Baller. Why when the man them I play for Jamaica, the man them look like some site worker, brother. In a brother, no. Cause the man them a baller.
Is it?
So why you can't control and pass the ball when you play ball every day? But when you're in a Jamaica outfit,
Something.
the ball have to kick up in the air 70 million times, just woof in the sky, and just go to somebody, just kick it again, boom.
Big kick. I mean, is it? I mean, it would have to go ball back down to the coaching. Or the coach? Does the coach have like a overall?
Brother,
what is the typical play style of the Jamaican coach? You know, like
I can tell you this. The playing style of Jamaican football is, here's what we do. So guys, we're gonna go out there, and we're gonna control it and kick it in the sky. Yeah.
So yeah, all right. So you know, like all right, Brazil will be kind of like Brazil kind of striky, but them still Brazil kind of stylish, them kind of aggressive. Germany might be kind of defensive.
Not Jamaica. Jamaica kind of. I'd say Jamaica kind of artistic, kind of retarded. Kind of ADHD. Kind of mute.
So Jamaica just go out there and say, yo, they're going to play ball.
Brother, I can't demand them because the man them can play ball, brother.
Yeah, but matter like from the coach perspective, it's like, yo, man, them just go do the thing.
I hear what the problem to me. Me have to really commend them man, you know, dog. Because you represent Jamaica, you know Jamaican people, dog.
Facts.
Brother, me see a man as brother. Me and Bobby Reid follow each other for IG. You know, me rate Bobby Reid. Me see a man say Bobby Reid needs to go. I say, yo, Bobby Reid, me have one decking. You go deal with it. I say, yo, come deal with the decking, yeah, man, cause left this football thing alone.
I know you're thinking this. Are you serious?
Brother, but when you see how the man them deal with, and then even the coach, brother, the coach left. You have Whisper, Rafiq, and you have a young youth, one like a short youth, and black brother, but him bad. And I see coach left off a 3 man them off his side, where everybody at Jamaica love. This how it throw me off. This throw me off weak. Everybody at Jamaica love them 3 man here. And you left them off.
Did they not play at all?
Them not call them. So this journey, them not call them.
Okay. So we just never really want to go.
No, man, we didn't want to go, you know.
No, as in...
But me not gonna ever say man them not good. Because I've seen these men play well. When Gray play for Jamaica, Gray can't play ball. Me don't know why.
I feel like we... All right. Because to how Jamaica love football. I think the Jamaican football
Jamaica love
culture...
football, we're supposed to good. Brother,
We're supposed to good.
Brother, we love football more than tracks.
Fully.
I swear, we love... whether we like it or not, we love football more than tracks.
So how is it? All right. Do we not have like a high philosophy for football? Like you know, like how, all right. You know, like how when you get really good at something, you start to transcend even what that thing is.
Jamaica used to have that. You see football. Normally, when I watch Jamaican football, the best type of Jamaican football me ever watch I like. When Lovell Palmer, Taxi, Luton Shelton, Fuller, what the man name again? The side of that Rudolph Astin. Rudolph Astin, if him kick 100 shot, he would have missed 95. But
I kick them though.
But it look beautiful, like shot a sen. Yeah, them man they still never make the World Cup, but that side there, to me, way better than. Would I say them better? I can't even say them better because I feel like if we are going to talk, like Liam Bailey is one of Jamaica's most decorated footballer now.
Yeah.
In terms of like, can he play? Like Liam Bailey right now would have made us the pinnacle of Jamaica football. But most of the man them when we see on the Jamaica side right now can't get in like all the 09, 08 Jamaica side. 2010, 2012 Jamaica. 2012 Jamaica side? No, we're not.
We not no Bibbies on them something there.
No Bibi Gardner, no Whitmore, no Shorty Malcolm, no Ian Pepe Goodison.
Yeah.
You realize these men made the 98 World Cup and we've never forgotten them.
Never, ever.
Never. No Walter Boy.
Yeah.
No Shorty Malcolm.
No.
Bro, we know the whole side.
Yeah.
The man they really write them name in a history forever. You know?
Fully.
Anandi
Low. That was such a sick name.
Anandi Low. All of that. Them boy and a ball name. And that damn, me just realize the man not a baller name, brother.
Okay, no, I feel like I need to say all of the name them now.
Because
man them have some name in a dog. All right.
But I gotta say,
I feel like Leon Bailey is a baller name.
Jamaica. May I say list Jamaica squad that made the 98 World Cup.
Okay.
And then you find a new baller.
Current. Yeah.
And we're going to compare each of them and we're going to see who better.
All right.
Which side better.
Okay.
Tell me when you pull up the list of the baller them we play.
All right. This is on ESPN. Yeah, we have them.
All right. So, starter keeper.
We have Andre Blake.
That's sticky. So, Donovan Ricketts is actually a very good goalkeeper.
Remember Donovan Ricketts.
And I think Blake.
Better.
Donovan Ricketts them have the same type of MLS career too, you know. That's a draw. That's a tough one.
Okay. Amal Knight.
Ian Goodison.
Moving on. Jamali Waite.
Frank Sinclair. I don't know who that.
Okay.
But I know Sinclair better than Waite.
Okay. All right. So we have outfield players now.
No, so a defender them. You know, just list the whole defender them.
This is how I have it list now is ESPN them just have goalkeeper and outfield players.
Brother. All right. Oh, that's why.
Yeah.
Cause ChatGPT say Ricardo Gardner, Ian Burrell, Fitzroy Simpson. Midfielder, Robbie Earl.
I don't know Robbie Earl.
Robbie Earl is a English baller. Well, I wouldn't say English baller, but yeah, he did really depend on the English side.
Okay.
So if we have midfielder, Robbie Earl, no man name what we call, no better than Robbie Earl.
Okay.
So call that a day. No man name what we call, no better than Whitmore. Although Whitmore was the coach, no man name what we call, no better than Whitmore. Peter Cargill. I think him is Peter Cargill with what them call Walter Boy.
Yeah.
Hector Wright, Darren Moore, Ricardo Carpenter, Christopher Dawes. Oh no, see Walter Boy. Yeah. Forward, Walter Boy, Frankie Bunn, Paul Young, Onandi Lowe.
We got Ian Frey.
And them win a game too. Yeah, with the win a game with the beat Japan.
In the World Cup?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, okay. Bro, remember when we did beat Mexico the time and PJ said no work or school tomorrow. I said, yo, yeah man, we do something finally.
Any Jamaica did win.
Oh yeah man, it
yesterday.
was fully.
Today would have been a holiday.
Ian Frey, Amari Bell, Ethan Pinnock, Richard King, Joel Latibodier, Damian Lowe, Ronaldo Webster, Kevin Lambert, Nikhil Ellis, Dwight Merrick, Andre Brooks, Casey Palmer, Isaac Hayden, Karoy Anderson, Kyle Ming, Tyrese Hall, Demarai Gray, Nikolai Fuller, Ephraim Mason Clark, Leon Bailey Kadamarteri, Bobby DeCorva Reed, Tyrese Campbell, Norman Campbell, Jamal Lowe, and Ronaldo Cephas.
All right. Out of every man name we call a while ago, maybe 5 of them good. No, I'm not going to say good because them play ball, but me not. See, the thing is, me can't play football to the level of none of them man, yeah? So
it's hard to say, ooh.
To me, I find it harder for me to criticize them because me a Jamaican.
Yeah.
If they were play for another country, I would be. God, come and see me vex, you know. But
you still have to have like that national pride and reservation to say, yo, I'm a people them, so you can't beat them too bad. But come on, man. You know, so I get it.
But I want to see meme them, brother. Man, they make a AI thing with the man in my build a house. Every man in a Jamaica jersey.
I just say one a while ago, the man them
decking and all
about
kind of stuff.
6 of them I push one wheelbarrow.
Yeah.
I was like, John.
Man, so you're full time now. Come cast a pool.
Oh God, bro. I don't know. So do we just need like
coach? Jamaica need coach, brother. Jamaica have too much man. At Jamaica, we just have one ball. At that, man just have a ball bag with 4 ball and 7 cone, brother. And now me a coach and one whistle.
Do you think it would be better if we had like a Caribbean Premier League that the man them could like?
Bro, that would be the best thing for football. It's like how Europe have the Europa League thing.
Yeah.
Like European Champions League thing.
Yeah.
Even though we kind of did have something like that. We have CONCACAF Champions League, but that is not the same. If the Premier League...
No, man, build team and, you know what I mean? Man, some, you know.
Bro, I think that would have do so much for the Caribbean economy.
Yes.
If, like, there is a Caribbean Premier League of 30 teams.
The man, them build team, you have some, you know, some rich people just buy some team, build some stadium. You build your team. You have the draft. Could you imagine a Caribbean draft, bro?
Brother, boy, we don't need some better stadium, though.
But that's where the money would come in. Cause now, bro, all right.
Can you imagine, like, if we have, like, the big Caribbean country, them, get naturally probably would have to get more teams.
Yeah, for sure.
So, like, just like England or whatever, 5 teams come from Jamaica, 5 teams come from
like Cuba,
Cuba, 5 teams come from Haiti. That are 15.
Yeah. How much would we need in like to get a Premier League?
No, so we don't want to have a 20-man squad. So we just say 4 teams from Jamaica, 4 teams from Cuba, 4 teams from Haiti, and then the rest of the country them now, we could have say 6, probably. Trinidad can get 2 teams, 1 Barbados, 1 Bahamas, enough for them, you know, St. Lucia, St. Vincent.
But then you could do a thing where, because, all right.
But maybe Cuba not get 4 teams and 80. I think Jamaica would have, just by being off of those famous and commercial rights in terms of selling it.
Yeah.
So if I put on like a business hat, I probably would have give Jamaica and Trinidad 4 teams.
Yeah.
Before me give Cuba and Haiti 4 teams.
True.
So me that Jamaica and Trinidad get 4 teams.
Yeah.
And then everywhere else 1 or 2.
I feel like everywhere else could get 1 or 2, and then you could do, because you can still kind of go like regional with certain. Cause now you go have a build stadium in certain places. You know what I mean? That will bring.
That's why I say.
Whole heap of revenue.
And crazy part about it is you wouldn't even have to do that right away.
You wouldn't have to, because you have stadiums.
Because what you do? If me there from what I see with Jamaica football right now, the team in Jamaica will have the most history right now. I'm saying you have Tivoli Garden, you have Arnett, you have. Me that just sent you Arnett Garden. Why me that sent you Arnett Garden? Although Tivoli Garden they right there so, and Boyz Town they right there so, I still feel like Arnett are there. Although Tivoli have a heap of tradition still, but in terms of not being a yo-yo club with them up and them down, I think Arnett have the strongest.
Have like a consistent reputation.
Yeah, Arnett consistently good. Siaga used to back Tivoli Garden whole heap. I don't know how that stay now, but Arnett, me that say, Arnett be the club for that region there. Me that say, Arnett, Waterhouse, Mobile. That's the name of Mobile. I have a side of Mobile right now. We're good. And then, because you need to put. So I would say the 2 Kingston side them. Me that put in Arnett and Waterhouse. Sorry, although my granny live at Aberview, I wouldn't put in Aberview.
Yeah.
Although Aberview produced the most international.
Baller?
Yeah. Ricardo,
really?
yeah, Bibi Gardner, Jermaine
okay.
All heap of baller will end up a foreign come from Aberview. So probably, but me talk about where the most support are gonna come from.
Yeah.
Like the full stadium them.
Yeah.
We have to think about location too. Every man know how to get to Arnett, because Arnett there downtown.
Yeah.
And every man know how to get to Waterhouse, because Waterhouse there near Washington Boulevard down at Olympic Way.
Yeah.
Traveling, so location wise, good. And then now what them do is them just start either expand them stadium there or move them.
Because we can sensationalize this thing, you know, bro.
Brother.
Because really that's what it is, you know.
Bro, all what would I do, you know? I just make the national stadium be the home ground for every country, you know.
Yeah.
So like we have 2 teams, national stadiums. Just so Aberview are, no, so Waterhouse are on it, playing at same stadium.
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
Just like with Inter. Waterhouse are on it, playing at same stadium. Change up some of my color or whatever, but we are share the stadium. 2 teams them we use from Mobile, them just share Mobile have a stadium down there and them just share that.
Yeah.
Them home ground, them can train at them home ground. And then so with a bill, and then Trinidad, same thing.
Yeah.
Everybody just share the stadium and we just build a league. And then all them do, them just have to just contact Air Jamaica.
And then that's how the flights thing would work out.
Air Jamaica would have to contact, would have to sort out the flight thing.
Yeah.
But the ticket price would have to raise. Ticket would have to sell for be profitable. For a league like that work, at least 20,000 people have to constantly go the games them paying.
But that's what I say. I feel like that could be achievable. Once it gets sensationalized,
So much revenue would I generate.
Bro, it's just sensation, you know. It's just for go, yo, you want to sit, because we already have this, you know, Jamaica versus Trinidad history that we have, right? So that already go sell itself, I feel like.
People don't understand the importance of creating that would have mean one, no.
Billions of dollars we're talking about.
Yeah, now we're talking about TV rights.
TV rights.
TV and TVJ are bid for games.
Yes.
We're talking about recreational activity. Now it's dating. We're talking about the community them we would have built because of that. Like, yo, we're talking about transfer money. Man, I pay this money. We're talking about ballers that come here for play ball and I live here.
All right, come about for say, what about when you start buy players from, because now you can.
Yeah, transfer window and them thing there.
Bro, the only thing can go on, not to mention merch and jersey and all of them something there.
That would have built. I know what would have make it better too? It would have you can get relegated. So you see, because you can get relegated, so I would have started with the four at Trinidad, 4 at Jamaica, and then 1-1 everywhere else. But make it be a relegation thing. So if it end up that I be a Jamaican side there,
then I just saw it go. You know what I mean? And then that's what it is.
Or probably you can do it like that, but
you can always
can just do it like America when nobody not get relegated, but you don't want to give teams opportunity to be a part of the competition.
But you can also, I feel like you could also do, you know, a situation where, yes, this is the Trinidad team, and this is not the Trinidad national team, but it's a team in Trinidad, and you recruit somebody from a Congo, you recruit somebody from...
Oh yeah, you can buy people from anywhere.
Buy people from anywhere.
But you can still do that in the Premier League now. You have the problem with that though. The Caribbean big.
But
there's 5-6 hour flights in the Caribbean.
Yeah, but then that's how you would kind of get everybody involved now. So this team is in Trinidad, but it don't necessarily have to be the Trinidad team. So you could be Bajan and you play for this team in Trinidad. You play for the, you know.
No, that we're talking about transportation to make the money. You have to you'd have to know, say, all right then, Jamaica play at Trinidad side. At Trinidad side and have no fans, you know. Only the Trinidadian them there at Jamaica. Which means you're gonna bring out every single one of them, you can't not gonna guarantee, but that would have be the most difficult part. Because everybody can travel already, you know. Carry come.
Yeah. But is the price of the tickets and them something?
The price of the ticket and the income of the people them.
But that is why I feel like it would have to sensationalize, but it would also create jobs if you have these stadiums and people working at the stadiums and
the whole trust me,
it can create an entire economy. I think.
The whole ecosystem, brother, this should have been something where would have changed the whole outcome of the Caribbean.
Bush people.
Them not have the money for this. This is not no.
No.
$1 million or $2 billion thing.
I mean, you don't think if like the
for this get off the ground,
the bush them and the Matalan them and
for this no, them not have the money for that. For this get off the ground, we are look upon like $150 billion investment. Remember, you know, you have to play the ball of them. You have to pay the ball of them good. No, we have to. You have to create industry for the ball of them. The ball of them are going to get paid good. Them are going to travel. The stadium, them are going to build up to a certain level now. Them look thing where I go on with. Yeah. Them look place with some patch of grass when man call stadium.
Yeah, that's not gonna work.
Fix the stadium.
There some big screen and thing and spectacle and fireworks and what the whole shebang, bro.
The beauty thing is if them are use the national stadium, that would have fixed what party. But we have to think about pricing. We have to think about coaching, how the ball them are get treated. Plus we have to think about the mapping of the flights them. All right, you play one game a week. So which means, say, if you're going to play one game every week, if you match up, most Premier League matches Saturday or Sunday.
Yeah.
So bam, if you have a Friday, if you have a Sunday match, you probably are going to have a specific plane. Or you're going to have to work it out with the Caribbean Airlines. So, you need to get to Yasso. And so you have to get to the day before for sleep or something.
But even so, imagine going, this is the official airline of the whatever team.
Oh, exactly. That's what I said. These are all in the. Look, we see it in America.
Yeah.
Brother, California have how much NFL team? 3 or 4?
California have
Brother, California have
the
Chargers. Chargers, 49ers,
Yes.
and friggin'
next one.
Rams.
The
Chargers,
Rams.
49ers, and Rams.
Yeah. Yeah.
NBA team alone, California have Lakers, Clippers, Warriors, and Sacramento
Kings.
So that's a 4 team.
Yeah.
Florida have for football, them have Dolphins, Tampa, and Jacksonville. So Jaguars, Buccaneers, and Buccaneers and Dolphins.
And the Dolphins, yeah.
So, and then for NBA, the man them have Orlando
the
Magic and Miami Heat.
Yep. I feel like there's a next one though, but is there?
Orlando Magic, Miami. No, I mean, I think they're more NBA.
Oh yeah, 2.
Yeah, but I think New York have enough too. New York have
The Nets.
Nets, Knicks.
The Knicks.
Yeah, Nets, Knicks.
Yeah.
And then for NFL, them have next Knicks, Giants, Jets.
Yeah. Yeah. So it's like it can set up in a way.
The bigger markets get more thing there. But California and Florida clearly have more teams than everywhere else.
Yeah. I mean, California is huge.
Texas have enough team too.
Yeah.
Texas have Dallas Mavericks,
Yep. San Antonio
Houston
Spurs.
Rockets, San Antonio Spurs. Think of that.
3.
And then for the football, them have Texas, them have Texans, Cowboys.
Longhorns.
Them have Texans and Cowboys.
Longhorns is what, a college team?
You may not know what that. But NFL are probably 2 NFL team alone them have. Yeah, Texans, Houston Texans and Dallas Cowboys. I don't think Austin have no. Yeah.
Yeah, Dallas Cowboys and Houston Texans. They really didn't.
Texas could have hold some more.
They can, and I feel like they didn't put any thought into the Texans name. Just the Houston Texans.
Like, yo, this is so plain. I'm gonna do this to piss you off right now.
Yeah, man. The Texans. Just go with the Texans. We don't even gonna think about it.
This is what it's gonna be.
Yeah, man. The Texans, guys. I mean, Cowboys. Cowboys at least is a little more thought put into it. But I feel like if we really tried to like sensationalize this in a certain way, bro, that is like it don't even have to be about winning. If we're not gonna win anyway, right? It don't even have to be about winning. It's just sensation, bro. You ever go see a LAFC game?
All these things just have to start,
It just have to start.
And that, so you see how we think about, this I go and that I go because we are looking for a finished product.
Yeah.
We don't know where the English Premier League was or how they. When they hear the NBA player them talk about the league, how
Back
the
in
league
the
used
day.
to be back in the day. Man play on dirt.
Yeah. Yeah.
It's just that somebody have to start it.
It just had to begin. So it's like if we just decided in Jamaica right now, say, yo, we're gonna start sensationalize the thing, bro.
We'd have to can pay the ball of them good.
Yeah. And I think we can.
We cannot. We're not selling tickets like that.
Yeah, but we're not sell the tickets like that because
Jamaica don't have 3 football matches can full stadium every year.
But why is that? Is there a lack of interest?
I just say lack of interest, lack of promotion, lack of sponsorship. You know what the problem is? And I think it's a Jamaica thing.
Mm-hmm.
We love football. We look upon football as we love the sport.
Mm-hmm.
But I think Jamaicans generally look like the footballer in Jamaica is painted as a bad boy. I mean, I feel like the government ever are going to want support anything like bad.
Yeah, but
There's normally, just think about it. Every time we talk about football, the youth them in their school, the youth them at Arden where used to play ball, them used to root down.
yeah, it's always I feel like in sports in general, it's kind of like that. For
Exactly.
Jamaica.
But them normally give Jamaica normally get a bad rap for that.
Yeah, but
typically footballers in Jamaica are
some bad. I mean, even when we go through some of the old legendary ball of them,
they were known for like drunk driving, them at the catch.
If you go 4 years later and look at them rap sheet, it's gonna be like, oh, that's what happened.
They all got in they all got in some serious crazy trouble.
Brother, you're not big baller. What you? How you do that?
They all got in some
crazy trouble.
Whoa, like yo, what you mean?
But this is what I say. So why not just? I think Jamaica have an issue with incentivizing success, bro. I think. Do you get what I'm saying? Like, okay. If I knew that if I did well at a thing, that I had a guaranteed wealthy life, wouldn't I want to be like that, bro? You know, say if you were to play for the Clippers right now, if you were the 9th man on the Clippers side, you know, say you get millions.
Yeah, but Jamaica, dog, they I don't know how much it is. People, if you're in Jamaica, let me know. I don't know how much it is to go watch a game in Jamaica. But let me tell you something. The worst promoted thing I've ever seen in the history of Jamaica is the Jamaican Football Premier League.
Brother, you know, say...
You might have never seen anything about it.
I'll tell you. I used to just hear about it, and I used to always wonder how come me will see Premier League and them something there, and me live in Jamaica and me not see nothing like.
You've never seen.
I've never seen a commercial. I've never seen, like, me never said nothing.
Bro, you never hit a driver and say, "Oh, yo, see the bus there."
Oh, that much. Oh, man, no.
Man, probably a roll around in a coaster, brother. Why them not have one? Why each club in a Jamaica?
Not, but this is what I say.
Can't buy like a JUTC bus and a yellow bus and then do it in a
The only thing we hear is like if you are listening radio and you listen to sports section and you hear say, oh, Arnett Gardens is playing Tivoli.
That's what I said. The promotion of it is terrible, and I don't know who won that league, because you tell me say we not hear about no performance, we not.
I can see.
Not care how you look. Whoever owns it is doing terrible, and it have to be a money situation, brother.
Who owns the Jamaican Football League? The Jamaica Premier League was formed in 1973. This is according to Wikipedia. Formerly the National Premier League, commonly known as the JPL, officially known as the Ray and Nephew Jamaica Premier League. For sponsorship reasons, is sanctioned by the Jamaica Football Federation as the top division for men's association football in Jamaica. Contested between 14 clubs, it operates on a system of promotion and relegation with the JFF Championships. Most games are played on Sunday afternoons and Monday evenings, Monday Night Football. Founded 1973, country Jamaica, CONCACAF Federation, relegation to the JFF, Domestic Cup, JFF Champions Cup. It doesn't say who owns it. It says the sponsor is Ray and Nephew.
Ray and Nephew been a sponsor of Premier League long time. It just brother, if you see how Jamaican schoolboy football get more promotion and more push than Jamaican Premier League. Like, you know more about KC and Calabar and Georges and JC side, and then you can, like, I cannot name all the teams of the Jamaican Premier League.
Does it even say? Oh, let me see. Arnett Gardens, Cavalier.
Arnett. Let me tell you what I know already.
Okay.
Arnett, Cavaliers, Waterhouse, Tivoli, Boystown, Harbourview, Portmore United. Is Rivoli there? Rivoli?
I do not see Rivoli.
All right, Rivoli not there. So that means Humble Lion there?
Yes, Humble Lions is there.
Montego Bay United?
Yes.
With them Mount Pleasant?
Mount Pleasant, yeah.
How much team?
According to this, this is the 2024 to 2025 clubs. It says there's 14 of them.
How much am I gone? Which we know am I gone most?
You go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Did you say Portmore United?
Yeah.
Okay, so Vere.
Very new.
Vere. Mount Pleasant, Montego Bay, Mullines United, Humble
Mullines there Premier League?
Apparently.
What? Big up Mullines.
Yeah, man. They were 11th in the 2023 to 2024.
Cavalier Barbican. Is Barbican there? No, Barbican they are Cavaliers.
I don't see Barbican. According to Wiki, from top, it's Arnett Gardens, Cavalier, Chapelton Maroons.
Yeah, them I don't know. First me hear that one there.
Dunby Holden.
I know this, but I never know them there Premier League.
Harbourview, Humble Lions, Mullines United, Montego Bay United, Mount Pleasant, Portmore United, Racing United.
First me hear that one there.
Tivoli Gardens, Vere United, and Waterhouse. Chat, let us know if this is correct. I'm sorry, Wikipedia may get this from.
It's probably right, and them no know either.
That's not a problem.
Them no know. me know, only no know. Somebody right now will comment from Jamaica. Somebody right now is going to comment from Jamaica
Mullines in them
that did not know this.
All right. By season. Oh, these are the winners by season.
Harbourview win a lot.
Oh, this is over the years.
Harbourview win Wally, Portmore win. Harbourview win enough. Waterhouse win enough. Arnett win a couple. Tivoli win a couple.
Santos, JDF,
Santos was aside. Santos no exist no more, but yeah, that was a good team.
Yeah, they won the first 4, it looked like.
Mm-hmm.
Santos, Arnett Gardens, Santos, Cavalier, Tivoli Gardens, Boys Town, JDF, Boys Town, Seba, Wadada, Boys Town, FC
Seba and Wadada didn't even exist again to blood.
Right? I remember hearing a lot about Wadada. Hazard United, Violet Kickers, Reno, Violet Kickers, Reno. Seba, Waterhouse, Tivoli, Harbourview, Arnett, Hazard, Tivoli, Portmore United, Waterhouse, Harbourview, Portmore, Tivoli, Harbourview, Tivoli, Portmore, Harbourview, Montego Bay, Arnett Gardens, Montego Bay, Arnett Gardens, Portmore, Cavalier, Harbourview, Mount Pleasant, Cavalier. Portmore has 7 wins.
Mm-hmm.
Harbourview has 5, Tivoli has 5, Arnett Gardens has 5, Santos have 5, Mobay have 4, Cavalier have 4.
So Portmore win the most Premier League?
Portmore win the most.
See?
Big up Portmore.
Hey, that's the Portmore. No, Portmore did always have one big side still. Greater Portmore.
Yeah. So, no. I feel like if we incentivize these things more, bro, I think, I don't know, dog. I just feel like Jamaica just be functioning without like a goal. You know what I mean? Like Jamaica just a do. We just a live. You know what I mean? Just, it's like there's no plan. You see like how another country we go, yo, we're about to be the best in the world at this. We're about to try to generate 7 billion from doing this. Jamaica I
think we already did that for Champs. Champs just done.
Yeah.
You know, JC win Champs. You know, congratulations to JC.
Big up JC.
Mm-hmm. Wow. What the problem?
You just had to like, you were very, very political with that just.
Yeah.
Big up to, you know.
Big up to the winners.
Yes, you know.
But, yeah. You know, you can't win everything.
True. I mean, you know.
But here's my theory.
Mm-hmm.
And Issa, I hope when you're listening, Issa, this new chance, the format of Champs is destroying the attendance.
What do you mean?
Like, Champs Saturday used to be so packed. But I understand because you have to kind of champs used to be so difficult upon the young youth them body.
Yeah.
Because if you do the four final and the two final running on one day, finals, hours apart.
Yeah.
So it's like you'd have to go run the 4. If the 4 run like 1 o'clock, you run 2 finals. You might run your 4 final 12 o'clock and your 2 final is like 4.
So you already beat from the first one.
Finals too. So you run your hardest and then go sleep and then run your hardest again. That's very difficult. The 100s, the semis and the finals for the 100 used to run the Friday, and the 200 semis used to run on a Tuesday. No, 200 semis used to run on a Thursday. Yeah, Thursday. Because most men will do 1 and 2 with that thing there. But the format stay now. But here, me can just think about it from a standpoint of a viewer. But champs used to be empty on Tuesday and Wednesday, Thursday. Nobody got champs.
Yeah.
Friday, everybody march.
Yeah.
Because we have couple finals run on Friday. 4 hurdles finals would have run. I think the 800 semis would have run. So champs normally have a vibes on Friday. But me I see champs and the race them I look like me I talk about from all Thursday it look like champs done like 2 days and left. Me I say yo, why run on the Saturday and then me I looking at the stadium and the stadium even pack. But here where them a fall between. If me move around the dates them, maybe me can get the attendance for full up more of the days them. But me still think take with the essence of a 100 and odd year tradition like champs are 116 now.
Wow.
Yeah.
See?
Yeah, champs are 100. Me tell you what me know cause me know because Wolmer's winning at 2010. And Wolmer's win the 100 years. Yeah, me think them kind of. Me not like the scheduling of champs. People tell me how they feel about it, but it's hard for watch the scheduling.
I don't know. I don't know, bro. I feel like we could 1910 was the first one, and Wolmer's won.
1910.
Not crazy.
Them win the first and the 100.
Yeah.
I think in terms of champs, KC we have 34. JC, I think JC probably have around 25. Calabar probably right beside a JC too.
No, this is not the compilation of how many.
No, it's easy to find out.
I'm on Wiki, them just show a list. They just show the list of who win which year.
List of.
It's like this is 100 and something names.
List of.
It'll show me the list, but more I say like, okay, KC have 30. Like that more I see. Not like 1992, 1993, 1994. That's what
it's easy to find. All right. Kingston College, we have 36.
36, okay.
Calabar have 28. JC have 23.
So KC has the most?
Yeah. Calabar really catch me up still because we did that 31 for a long time. And the man them win 6 straight. When we did that 31.
Yo. Y'all, according to this, you see from 62 to 75.
Win 14.
Mirated Cup.
KC win KC win champs 14 years straight.
I'm looking at it right now. I was like, damn, from 62 to 75, y'all won champs.
And then we did have another run too. We did have another long run
crazy
after
run.
that.
Let me see. All right. You had from 50 to 54. You had 62 to 75.
I think them did win like 01, 02, 03, 04, 05 type thing.
Yeah, you had 01 to 06.
Yeah, that's a 5-year stretch.
Yeah. But Calabar has had...
Me can't tell you exactly every time Calabar win champs. Calabar win champs 2008. Then them win champs 2000 and...
It says they won in 07 too.
Them win 07, 08, we win 09, Wilmers win 10, JC win 11, then Calabar win all the way up to 2019.
Yes.
So Calabar win 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18.
Yeah. Yep. And then I had 22, 23, 24, 25.
And a COVID stop we from win the 20.
Yeah.
Because win 22, 23, 24. No, JC win one time.
JC won 21.
21. But we win 22, 23, 24.
Yeah. And 25.
25. And we'll never win or we'll lose this year.
Yeah.
It's really about the crapper athlete, you know, so. I don't know how much we'll lose champs by this year, but we figure it out.
Yeah, I feel like, bro, these are some of the things that I feel like if we just really like locked in, like, I think there's a delicate balance too, where it's like, I don't want us to go all the way to like how America like almost exploits.
I want us to do that.
But I want us to go near. I don't want us to exploit to the point of like it's detrimental.
I need us to go all the way.
I want us to go there where it's like, yeah, man, sell the jersey, make some custom jersey, sell the jersey them, like publicize it, make it a crazy thing, bro.
Why we can't go buy the Premier League jersey them? Why we can't find them for buy? You know, why nobody why the support feet? Probably should see the ear of them too.
Yeah, but if you do these things, all right.
Stadium them are gonna need better parking, more security, people. Like it's easy for the Premier League match, you know. Just climb up in our money and jump the wall, you know.
True. True. But it's like, if I know there's a lot of issues, yes, but I think if you just set it a certain way where it's like, that's a part of like what makes it so clearly there's an interest. If people willing to climb on somebody else for go watch a game, there's an interest there.
Yeah, but here what the problem. Yo, me know the man, yeah, and yo, what you mean, bro? For PLANO, years now, me I watch when nobody now come watch. Me sit down in the stands, I watch and.
Then grandfather, them people are in, bro. We can do them thing there, bro.
But them people that have link too.
Yes, if them people that have links, make them utilize them links. We not worry about them. We are worried about the people them where now watch where would be interested, but it not set up like that properly. It not set up for the real. One to the people them where, all right. You tell me say if it never spectacleized, if it get to a sensational level, you wouldn't fly down go watch it. Man, I fly go for watch Arsenal, bro.
Yeah, but
look how you went and you were like, oh yeah, look at the stadium. You just go look on an empty stadium.
Yeah, but we're not gonna do that we can't do that every week.
You don't have to do it every week, but the amount of people that you can generate, you don't need one person to do it every week. You need different sets of people.
The issue is population. 3 million away alone there, dog.
Yes, but what about the other 3 million that would be willing to fly down for those things? How much?
50 billion. 50 billion. 50 billion. Get everything.
Everything we want.
Everything we want. 50 billion. Because when man start get money, yes, boss.
So this is what I say. If we put money to it, bro. All right. I know. I've been seeing y'all complaining about the chat GPT and about me. I got ask chat.
Why?
I'm just bad man.
I am going to always.
How much would it cost to make a Caribbean football league?
Make up a number.
Similar Similar.
No, you don't have to do that. Say create a plan to form a Caribbean football league, including the biggest teams, including the top 20 biggest teams, including the top 20 biggest.
So this said, short answer, to build something even remotely like the English Premier League in the Caribbean, you're looking at hundreds of millions to multiple of billions of dollars, depending on how serious you are. Number one, what the Premier League actually costs for context. The total league revenue is...
Wow.
What?
Jamaica 4 teams, Abbeville, Waterhouse, Arnett, Portmore. Same team then what did I say?
Start with them.
Trinidad 4 team too. West Connection FC, Defense Force FC, Central FC, here to get 3 team. Violet, Dan, Dominican Republic get 2, Cuba get 1, Puerto Rico get 1, Suriname get 1, Barbados get 1, Antigua get 1, French Guyana get 1. Select league 2 league structure, 20 team, home and away, 38 game, top 6 playoff, Caribbean final, season calendar, February to November, avoid hurricane peak season, aligned with CONCACAF.
Bro.
Chat GPT out here.
Bro, if we, all right, say if we get 10 billion right now, we could have put this together.
Probably. Watch out. Caribbean travel is expensive. Solution, cluster scheduling. Teams play 2 to 3 games per trip. So Jamaica team flies to Trinidad, play 2 games in Trinidad. So you play 2 Trinidad teams, then you go home. Central Hub, Kingston, Port of Spain, Santo Domingo. Revenue model, primary income, broadcast rights, ESPN, YouTube. Sponsor, Digicel, Caribbean Airlines, banks, Scotia Bank, Republic Bank. Diaspora monetization, UK, Canada, USA, Caribbean audience, pay-per-view for big matches. Entertainment strategy, this is key. Match day, carnival, Afrobeat, soca, artist halftime show, influencer creator integration, player strategy, salary cap, control spending, minimum salary, professional league, allow 5 foreign players per team, perfect. Dual nationals, UK, Canadian, Caribbean heritage, pathway system, winners qualify for CONCACAF Champions League, long-term goals, sell players to Europe, become feeder league like Portugal and Belgium, ownership model, franchise, MLS style, investor buy, $5-10 million for entry, club coalition model, existing club merge into league. That's what I think more. Like Waterhouse, all them club there.
Yeah.
Just fuck up all of them and just say, oh, we need 4. Everybody else, we not just some smaller club now.
Yeah.
Or on a giant.
Yeah.
Put the whole of the money together, and if you the own your club, all on, and then this are the percentage of the club where you own. Simple.
This is what I'm saying, bro. This is what I'm saying. Real hidden. Okay. So it said the league costs, total league revenue, 6 to 7 billion pounds per year. Total player wages, 4 billion pounds per year. Average club valuation, 1.5 billion each. Top teams spend 400 million to 700 million on players alone. Right? The Caribbean version, realistic cost tiers. Startup regional league. So estimated cost for that would be 10 to 50 million. Right? Just to get the league started. This is doable with investors, sponsors, and diaspora audience.
Suppose someone I watch this and just thief for idea.
I mean, if you have $7 billion, you know.
Yeah, watch this. Hey.
Hey, this is documented, you know.
We need you on the show.
This is documented right here, you know. So we can easily go, this is our idea. We sat down. This is documented right here, so.
We literally have the proof.
We have the proof. And it's dated. YouTube can verify it. Everybody in our audience can verify it.
Only thing YouTube can also verify, so we'd never have the money to do it.
Yeah, true. But that don't mean that it's still our intellectual property. You know what I mean? We can, you see me? So if you have the money,
give us a call.
If you have the money and you're interested in doing this, I think we can change the Caribbean like this.
This would have make that. This would have great.
You know what I mean? Like, think about the level of fanaticism that the English Premier League gets.
Bro, think about how the Jamaican audience, if you see the Rasta man them with the flag and them thing, if that depend national TV. Imagine you wake up every Saturday morning if you watch a Jamaica match them.
Jamaica match them. You have to remember where we reach now in technology. You know? You have to go get
stream it.
You have to go stream it. You have to go get ESPN. So now you sell entertainment packages.
That's what I say. It is so much money to be made, but that's why I say enough man have money at Jamaica. Our sponsors. The Jamaican Premier League can be more interesting, dog.
Can be way more, bro. This is what I'm saying. I feel like we're just not incentivizing success, dog. It's like there is so many pathways that is like, it's like the man them even not try exploit themselves. You know what I mean? If anybody go exploit you exploit yourself, bro. You know, we can sensationalize ourselves and put ourselves on a platform. We don't need to wait on another platform.
I would actually like to have a Premier League All-Stars play like the Premier League right now, the best 11 from the East versus the best 11 from the West. Because I still believe if we pick the best 11 from the East and the best 11 from the West, then probably better than our Reggae boys.
So you see, and now, because really and truly, as you say, tickets, right? We're trying to sell tickets and we're just trying to generate money.
I don't think people realize that the whole aim of everything is to get butts in seats.
That's what it is. That's literally
sell tickets.
It's so crazy that that's like the actual, like that's the actual term.
Butts in seats.
Butts in seats is the actual term. You're trying to, even if you lose, brother, it no matter. Bro, I remember I go to LAFC game, dog, and the energy in the stadium.
And LAFC is not even, America didn't even care. You
don't even care.
Brother, I'm going to watch Betis play Sevilla. I'm going to watch Arsenal play Chelsea. Whatever you feel, you feel. Those times that by a million. We're talking about you feel like the day.
Yeah.
When me there Spain for the Sevilla and the Betis match, I feel that
whole week.
From like Wednesday. Say the match I play Sunday. People are walking around in the city like people with them picnic. It's a whole industry, dog.
Yeah. So this is what I said we can create that. And I think there's already
each side have a YouTube channel. And we start know the player them personality. Every player have a YouTube channel. We start make sure say the man them you play for the side, you get a blue tick by Instagram.
Thing officialize. Some bad jersey.
Some decent jersey, some coverage, some behind the scenes. Every day the man them they are training people, I record it like foreign.
Yeah. I think that's all we need to do, bro. And it's like if
believe that not calculated in a day. The media not calculated in a million zero.
No, at all. Let's see. How much would media coverage cost and
Cause you have to pay people until them start thing there.
And be necessary. This is actually a make or break piece for the whole league. A Caribbean football league without media coverage is just games happening, which is what we have right now.
Right now, we just have some games that
just games are going. What media coverage actually includes: match broadcasting, commentary, pundits, highlights. Bro, imagine we have a sports talk, but just like a Shannon Sharp type character.
They might do that, but that's what I say. That is another industry where I build up because of the league.
This is what I'm saying.
Brother.
Marketing ads, content teams,
the Jamaica Premier League, through Professional Football Jamaica, over 200 million per season.
That's how much it generates now?
1.2 million per year.
Wait, what?
1.2 million per year is what
it costs? How much does it generate?
That's how it generate
1.2 million?
per year. Very bad. Terrible.
1.2 million?
Terrible. That means
It now make no money.
poor commercialization, weak media distribution, no diaspora monetization.
Okay. How much is the Jamaican Premier League leaving on the table?
Brother, we can't even, we not have to ask them for that. Me have to ask them for what them generate, but me not have to ask them for that. That are billions of dollars, brother. Remember, I know, it's 3 million people.
Short answer, a lot. Jamaica Premier League is operating at a fraction of its real commercial potential. All right. We're talking hundreds of billions of hundreds of millions to billions of Jamaican dollars left on the table annually if it were to be optimized properly. The league target revenue was what JPL is currently making. League target revenue 2022 was 200 million. Title sponsor, Ray and Nephew, 60 million over 3 years, so 20 million a year. The total league operating ambition is 500 million a year just to sustain 1 billion Jamaican a year to be fully functional.
So they are losing every year.
They're losing every year. So right now they're basically barely sustaining operations, not maximizing media sponsorship or fan revenue. This is what the computer say. Right? The real problem is undervalued assets. Media and TV rights is the biggest misbag. TV exposure is increasing but still underdeveloped. No major global broadcast deal compared to the English Premier League that makes 7.1 billion
Brother,
pounds.
if a TV them not show it, and guess what too? Man, them have the whole camera them, the infrastructure for man them now for shoot the game them, for cover the game them like shoot it a real way. Man, them not have that.
Yeah, but we have so why we not have with national, bro? This is what I say. We not incentivize success, bro. Why does our national stations not have the money for proper cameras for this?
Why do we have the politicians that every day? Me not believe. You know what? Trouble me, I gotta get myself.
People. You will just end it, yes.
Because here.
Okay. Hold on. Yeah.
I believe that every day when I see something on the internet about politics, right? There's always a fight for dancehall. There's always a fight for poor people. But there's also what does the politician need to give? How to generate jobs? This, that, blah, blah, blah. We have so many underdeveloped industries. That if we would, as the government,
focus on something,
force people to create industries, brother, push the Jamaica Premier League. Put it up in the Blood Knot airport when you walk in. Hey, how about you a place such as like a man a kick a ball or something?
Yeah.
Start put the man them in the Premier League on some Pepsi bottle or something. D&G or whatever and push the thing. Incentivize people. Yo, I want to play football and I actually can go.
Bro, we're supposed to have a ball of them pan all the sunshine snacks and them something.
Brother,
bro.
I wonder if people realize say I know just party alone people do for recreational activity, dog. Man, if people believe, man at Jamaica, like, brother, you know me that want, me carry my girl to watch some ball game, you know.
Yeah.
One bowl. Can I go one bowling alley? Can I have 3 more bowling alley? Can we have more things to do?
No.
That generate money?
No, because apparently we're not business about that. apparently, anytime anything starts to happen, we just go, yo, them dancehall artists here mash up the country. You know?
Yeah.
That's all that happens.
No matter what.
It's just, yo, a true now listen, there's slackness on the dancehall, you know, that I go on, you know. Bro, the man them say, right now, the potential is $1 to $3 billion Jamaican a year is possible from streaming to the diaspora, YouTube rights, betting partnerships. But even think about the betting partnerships. But even think about stake on them.
Where I gotta spend the money.
Brother, regional TV, that alone could 5 to 10 times the current league revenue. Sponsorship ceiling. Right now, we have a few sponsors giving tens of millions, but realistically, Caribbean brands, diaspora brands, and global brands targeting black audiences. The potential could be 300 million to 800 million a year in sponsorship. Match day revenue, currently weak, low attendance, low ticket prices. If done right, entertainment plus culture, that could potentially...
Brother, we're talking about an industry now where as an artist...
You are perform for
now you have work.
All right.
No a man now forget book for perform a blood clot
Sting and some fest.
No, you cannot go perform.
Yo dog, we are gonna premiere for the halftime show a thing that and you get a good food after.
Brother, you can work every week. But they are mobile. I perform on a game they are mobile for a little halftime, then pay me one blood now 1 million and I'm going somewhere else.
No, imagine you perform for the you make a big spectacle out of it is the Caribbean finals, the Caribbean Premier League finals.
Sean Paul.
Yeah, I like a Super Bowl for we now. You have Sean Paul. We don't have to stop a Sean Paul. We can design it however we want to design it. You know.
Shabba,
we can have a whole sound clash in it. We can bring in Marshall.
Yeah, because we could have do it we own. We could have do it like
way.
Caribbean.
We don't have to do it Super Bowl way.
Brother, imagine the Trinidad side I walk out and hear the steel pan them. Bomb
crazy. You see the big chuckle like up, bro.
You see steel pan. Imagine some steel pan in a stands.
Crazy.
You're deaf. You think Vuvuzela 9? You
like, oh Lord.
Steel ban.
Oh Lord, bro. Next, okay, match day revenue. So yeah, them says low attendance, low ticket prices. If done right, we can create some. Bro, so 200 to 500 million.
That's the main thing that's not being done right.
Yeah.
And you see, if them get them act together, a whole industry gonna build around it. Cause one, you gotta have you gotta have YouTube channels start talk about teams, like a man who support him team.
Yep.
You gotta have different YouTube channels, you gotta have people start talk about them. You gotta have commercial, the man them gotta have personality. Now you gotta hear say paparazzi a follow man can man just reverse out a tropical mall and there's a whole industry.
A whole industry that can create our fight. 4, merch and culture, huge miss lane. Right now, minimal structured merch ecosystem, but Jamaica equals a global cultural export. Potential, jerseys, lifestyle collabs,
brother,
music tie-ins,
dancehall
plus
forever.
football. So the realistic, we could be making an extra 100 million to 300 million Jamaican a year off of just the merch aspect. So total money being left on the table. The current ecosystem is Jamaican 200 to 500 million. But the realistic potential, if properly built, is 2 billion to 5 billion Jamaican per year. So how much is being left on the table? At least 1.5 billion to 4 billion Jamaican dollars annually.
You're the killer now.
And that's just the Jamaican League. That was just the Jamaica Premier League, you know. We're not talking about the Caribbean Premier League where we not talking about earlier. This is just for Jamaica.
See killer you know?
What?
This worse.
Mm-hmm.
What do you think is the average salary? What do you think is the average salary for a man who play ball
in Jamaica?
In the Jamaican Premier League?
Oh, Lord.
This even look fake.
I couldn't even guess. In US?
No, in Jamaica.
In Jamaican?
Per month.
Per month? don't even know what a good number would be.
40 to 50,000.
Jamaican?
Yo, they have to fix that first.
Bro.
First.
Oh my God.
So you say all of them can't even make $1,500,000 a month.
What?
As a footballer, you're supposed to can make $1,500,000 a month in Jamaica.
What? Hold on. 40 to 50,000
a month.
Hold on.
So this means many players have second jobs, rely on match bonus, use football as a pathway to overseas contracts. Yeah, true. The Jamaican Premier League averages 3 to 5K a year.
40 to 50,000.
Yeah, this is
What? No, I'm like
the salary.
the salary is 40 to 50,000.
No, the salary
Okay.
is 3 to 5,000 per year.
That's US? Per year?
That's what the average Premier League baller make. Not above average.
3 to 5,000 a year?
Mm-hmm.
A year.
Rent.
That's LA rent.
So a big baller
Yeah.
make between 80,000 to 120,000 a month. The good player them start there so. Upper tier 150 to 250. These are national team players, best ballers and clubs like Arnett, Waterhouse. Players about to move overseas. Reality check, above averages in Jamaica. Still not professional income.
Yeah, cause that's a $80,000 a year.
That mean you so if you want good baller, you make 150. That mean you just graduate from UA.
Yeah. Yeah, you can.
Yeah, we have to do something about that.
Yeah, we gotta. But there's so much money. There's so much money that's being left
There's
on
so
the
much
table,
money
bro.
left on the table.
That is like, to me, it is like increasing that pay is more than achievable. Like that are the least, that are the player them. You're going to be
But
doing.
the club of your pay is me believe the cheapest a man fair make a play ball a yard a month a $500,000.
That's all like
$500,000 Jamaican dollars.
Let me see the cat. How much that is? Jamaican 500,000. That is 3,188.
3,100 a month.
Yeah,
I believe him. Yeah, a man fair make that a month.
I think that's very reasonable.
Yeah, but remember we live up here, so we don't know. In order for the club pay that, imagine you have a 25-man squad, and that are the least they make a month. Guess what though? How much money for a ticket for watch a Jamaica man? For watch a game?
That's a good question.
What is the average price of a ticket and the attendance? Cause that
What's the average?
Average attendance. So see there? Average price of a ticket $1,000. So basically they make $6 or $7 per game. Cheaper for regular games, slightly higher for bigger games. The average attendance for the league is 150 to 300 people per game.
So them not make no money.
The league now make no money. The league, how the league survive?
Off a real nephew, apparently.
Yeah, the league now so the average is 169. Boy, man, how ChatGPT I get them information there? These are people who are pay, and then other people are coming. Because if a 3,300 people, Brother, 300 people times 7, you know. You can't even pay the ball of them.
You can't
pay them money 50,000.
You can't pay them on them at all. So this is what I say, bro. This is what I say.
Man, brother, a man make the league run out of pocket.
Yo, but here's what I say. You're already paying the ball of them. This, right? The man them is already playing for this. So, low key,
bro,
whatever you get, we can't have a vex with the man them, dog. Because the man them now make no money.
Here what? Jamaica.
Stop.
Scrap this. Scrap this. It now work. Just cut it down to 4 teams and make one Caribbean League. Scrap this. It now work. So you see all of them, the 12 team them?
Yeah.
What are they right now? Cut it to 8. Yeah. Cut it to 8 and just buy the best ball them so you can pay the man and where play good.
And then, but I don't even think we need to go there so yet. I do believe, yes, pay them better, right? But I think if we started from
promoting the damn games.
Promotion.
And raise the price too.
Raise the price of the ticket them, promote it properly, and then make people feel like, yeah man, we have to go this.
Dog, at 10 and 20,000 I forgot a party at Jamaica, you know. You tell me say
entry fee.
You tell me say, man, them can't sell the ticket them for y'all want look up. Man, I know want $4,000. A $4,000 for y'all, that sound bully.
It sound crazy, right? It sound enough.
4,000 Jamaican dollar. Ooh.
But if it did, but if it have a hype behind it,
but
right?
But people are paid that guy party regular, so me can't even say it's not that.
But here's the thing.
Enough people not interested if you pay money for watch football.
No, it's not that them not interested. It's that you're not making them interested.
Yeah, the infrastructure and something.
You see me say, you know, say if I go and party or and girl I go jump off a speaker box and some craziness might I go and Shelly Belly I go.
But
you see me say?
But also too, brother, you know, go watch a match, a compound, which is Harborview, and drive. You know where I go park your car. Where,
I was about to say it sound like parking crazy.
like where I go park, where 1,000 people I go park a car are on it.
Taxi, man. Taxi them eat a big food now. Man, the taxi them in drive and them people and them a big food now.
No, we're talking about security concern. Cause me I go drive my nice car, me never have a parking lot.
I mean, you have to build a parking lot. But where?
That's another whole infrastructure.
A whole other thing.
Lick down some of them house there.
Yeah.
But where I put the people in?
Build some apartment. Give them some apartment.
That's what I say. If the league generate enough money, all of what we are talking about right now would happen overnight.
But this is what I'm saying. We can't just hope for the league. Because what we're doing right now
no, not hope. We need people to watch the Premier League.
Yes,
first.
but you have to get them to watch. This is what I say. You can't just do what we are doing now and hope that people watch. You make it so that people watch.
Maybe local television comfortable.
Are
but
they?
if I am the league, you know what I would have done?
What?
If me it's Harborview or Arnett Garden or none of them, you know what me I do?
What?
And please take this idea. If me I pay the player them so cheap already, I am going to invest in the technology if we can shoot my own game.
No, that may I say.
And me prefer stream my match them on YouTube and generate income from that.
That is what may I say. Since we already are paying
that and yeah.
Since we already are paid the player them and they're playing at this level, right? They're playing for this price point already. Invest some of the money into the promotion so that you can increase the money for then pay them more.
Me I stream the game them on YouTube. Me take the L. Me take the L for the year. This year, YouTube. Me I stream it.
Start put together some compilation and thing. You see me I say, yo, the top players for the year.
Some of them that did it, but more would have come about.
Yeah, need more of them.
Basically, people, the Premier League need work.
Yeah.
Premier League need work, yeah, man. But hey, we're here. And don't forget. Like, share, comment, me think
Oh.
Damn.
No, because normally we do the people who are out here and it's like,
Oh, no,
man.
yeah,
peace.
but that's after.
Yeah, true.
Don't forget people for like, share, comment, you know. Me announce my tour. I'm going to be on the road very soon, next month. You're in April now?
Yeah.
Damn.
Crazy, right? Time fly.
Time is fucking sprinting.
Yeah, man.
But people, yes, we're here. Peace Punch, Captain Crunch,
Punch piece.
and Driffy Beast.
Is
Why
that it?
no for do that all the time?
I don't know. It's like, I guess it's like learning. I don't know.
Every time it catch the white all the time.
Fully. Paper, we're out of here. Easy me, I say. Skedaddle Nation, Whimsy Nation, big up on yourself.